Hello, I'm Joe Hofelt. I'm the owner of Joe Hofelt Construction, and I've been in business for over 40 years, providing quality service for our clients in the northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin areas. We are general contractors, providing remodeling and commercial building and remodeling services. We are involved in all phases of construction, custom design to the completion of the project. Our focus is the customer satisfaction. Services we provide are new homes, kitchens, bathrooms, additions, basements, garages, all types of decks, screen rooms, home repairs, all types of floor coverings including hardwood, windows and doors, commercial build-outs. Our main goal is our customer satisfaction. So for your next project, please give us a call for a free quote.